Jollof Sushi, a bold Nigerian Japanese fusion dish. What happens when two of the world's most iconic cuisines collide? Say hello to Jollof Sushi. In this video, we're merging the smoky, spicy flavors of Nigerian jollof rice with the delicate, artistic craftsmanship of Japanese sushi. Let's take a culinary journey that celebrates creativity and cultural connection. Before we dive in, did you know jollof rice is a beloved West African dish with a colorful history tied to celebration and togetherness? In Japan, sushi has been an art form for centuries, representing harmony and balance. This dish is about bringing the best of both worlds together in your kitchen. For jollof sushi, you'll need 2 cups of cooked jollof rice, made with tomato, spices, and stock. Sushi seaweed sheets, nori. Fresh vegetables, cucumber, avocado, carrots. Protein of your choice, grilled shrimp, chicken, or tofu. Soy sauce and pickled ginger for serving. Gather these colorful ingredients, and let's roll, literally. Start by preparing your jollof rice. Make sure it's slightly sticky for easy rolling. Lay a nori sheet on your sushi mat shiny side down. Spread a thin layer of the jollof rice evenly, leaving a margin at the top. Next, add rows of vibrant fresh vegetables, your chosen protein, and a hint of spice if desired. These fillings create depth, balancing the kick of jollof rice with freshness. Remember, balance is key, just like in Japanese cuisine. Carefully lift the bottom edge of the nori and roll it tightly, pressing as you go. Seal the edge with a little water so it holds its shape. Use a sharp knife to slice your roll into bite-sized pieces. And there you have it, your jollof sushi, ready to impress. Fusion recipes like this remind us that food is universal. Blending flavors from different cultures can spark innovation and create unforgettable experiences. Jollof sushi is more than a dish, it's a story of connection, diversity, and harmony on your plate. Feeling inspired? Now it's your turn. Try this recipe at home and share your creations. Post your sushi rolls with #JolofSushi to join the culinary explorers transforming traditions. Let's celebrate creativity, one delicious roll at a time. Ready? Grab your ingredients, hit the kitchen, and let's roll.